Hello, my loves. So today we are going to be making slime jewelry. Stay tuned to see what the heck this turns out to be because I have no idea. Alrighty, so it looks like we've got a bunch of stickers. We have some slime and some beads, and then some markers and some string. So basically the slime goes in one of these pendants. Of course I have to use the moon. So we have some putty here, and I'm gonna open this up. Ooh, this is very thick. Wow. Very pretty. Don't want that much. Just a little bit. Probably less than that. And then I'm gonna add some beads. Cute. I'm going to use the pink string for this one. I'm going to put some beads. Oh gosh, I don't think this is gonna fit. No. That's okay. For the best part, we're gonna put stickers on it. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna put the holographic moon on the back. Cute. And I'm going to put the hashtag girl power. It's so small. And a little heart. Ooh. Look how cute. So for the next one, I'm going to try to dye the slime with these little markers they gave me. I love foam beads, but the way they fly around is stressful. This is the smallest slime ever. Now we knead it all together. Oh no, my table. Ah. Stick that in there. Look how cute. There you go. I'm going to use the letters on this one and spell moonchild. M-O-O-N. M. C. These stickers are so small. I broke it. L. D. Yay! I think I'm gonna put purple on this one. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, so for the last one, I'm gonna try and do 2 separate colors and marble them. Last one is this cute little gem-shaped one. So I'm gonna put this one here and this one. It's pretty. Probably should have put a little more, but that's okay. So I'm gonna put the blue string on this one. And for stickers, look how cute that is. I think this was super cute. I would love to try like a DIY version of this, like that would actually be wearable. I think slime and jewelry would be such a cool concept, like a little snow globe or something that you can wear. I would be worried to wear these. I would worry that they would spill or like dry up. But it was so fun to make them, and I hope you guys thought it was cool. I'll see you next time.